November 9th. It's about 4:30. Just got set up here in the ground blind where Tay says, "Hey y'all." We just got set up here in the ground blind overlooking a power line. We're gonna try and get Tay on his first one. The last one didn't go as planned, but hopefully this one will go as planned. Got a huge cold front moving in tonight, so hopefully it's gonna have the deer up and on their feet this evening. So we're gonna get settled in and sit back. I think Tay wants to talk to y'all. Speak up a little bit. That's it? Yeah. Alright, y'all heard it from the man himself. Y'all stay tuned in and we'll update y'all as we go.
Hey.
Well, we finished our little afternoon set. Didn't see no deer, but
well, we just got back from hunting, and I just went to my neighbor's house to get these.
We didn't see no deer, but it ain't always about seeing deer, is it, Tay?
It's just about nature.
That's right. Y'all have a good one. Say bye, Tay.
Have a good night. Bye-bye.